electric breast pump at home. This is a manual breast pump. It is simple to use, easy to carry, and does not require electricity, which makes it perfect for everyday use as well as travel. Now let's take a quick look at its parts. This soft flange fits comfortably on the breast. The handle helps control the suction, and the bottle collects the milk safely and hygienically. To use the pump, gently place the flange and make sure it feels comfortable. Slowly press the handle to create suction. Keep a steady rhythm and try to stay relaxed, because comfort is very important for getting the best results. Here are a few helpful tips to keep in mind. Always clean the pump before and after every use. Start with gentle pressure and increase it slowly if needed. And remember, pumping should never feel painful. That's it. Simple and easy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you feel more confident using a manual breast pump. Take care and see you next time.